Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this rose in Illustrator and also how to color it. So let's get started. Okay, so how we are going to create this rose in Illustrator. I'm not going to show you everything in like step by step. Okay, I'm just quickly going to do all of this because I've already covered most of what I'm gonna do in my Illustrator tutorials. You can go check those out. Just go to the page in playlist, go to Adobe Illustrator tutorials, and you will see all of the techniques and things I used to create this rose. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to use a pen tool and just quickly gonna create all of these. First is going to be the rose, and then these petals, and then I'm going to create the leaves and then stem. Okay, I'm going to quickly do this, and I'm going to fast forward this. Okay guys, we are done with our rows. Now we are going to create the leaf and then the stem. Okay, we are done with our leaves and this will look better. Don't worry about that. And we are going to create the stem now. So this is going to be really quick. This is not going to be long. Okay guys, now our leaves are done. We are going to create the stem quickly. Okay guys, we are done with our rows, our stem, and our leaves. Okay, now we are quickly going to color these in. But before that, I'm just gonna increase the stroke for these. Okay, I'm gonna make them about 4. Let's do 2. Yeah, that looks better. Now I'm gonna quickly color these dark green. Okay. Just quickly going to select the stem. And I'll color this in a darker green. Okay, I just want to do one more thing. I'm gonna bring this a little closer. Okay. This looks better in my opinion. And now we are just going to quickly color this rose. Okay, for that it's simple, just select all the petals you had created. Okay, up to now all of these petals are selected, and now just need to do one thing: select a red color. Ooh, actually this looks good in my opinion, but I think let me just actually group all of these. Okay, so it's easier after that if you want to change something. Okay, so now what I would have to do is just click it, and all of you are selected now. Now I can just play around with the color. Okay, this is good, but it's a little too bright in my opinion. Let's change this to this. Okay, that looks better. That definitely looks better in my opinion. Okay, so we are done with our rose tutorial. Okay, I'm going to make this into some kind of merchandise. Okay, like a sticker or something on a t-shirt. Tell me what you think of this in the comment section below. So this is it for this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, peace.